Hey, hi, hello. How are you guys today? What the fuck? Hey, hi, hello. So today I am going to review, whoops, my goodness, let's start this shit over. Hey, hi, hello. Today we are going to be doing my March Ipsy bag. My March Ipsy bag, or every Ipsy bag of mine, comes in so late in the month. So it's normally, I usually get it around like the 17th or 18th of the month. So I get it like the very last week of the month, which is so aggravating. I wish I could change it, but it is what it is. Let's open it up. I really like this bag. It's like a really pretty metallic rose gold, and on it says, "And off she went to change the world." Which, as you can see, I'm kind of into some like cliche things. We're not in my usual office space, we're in my bedroom. We're in my gallery wall. I actually have my apartment set up like a studio, and then the bedroom I use as my office, which is where I'm normally filming because it's hella dark in there. Do you ever own something and you like never realized for a long time that you've been using it all wrong? So my tripod has this like weird crank on it that I've never really explored, and today I just decided to turn it and I realized my tripod can go up like another 1.5 feet. And I've actually been looking at other tripods because this one either like doesn't get tall enough sometimes or it's not short enough. I feel like a total idiot that my tripod goes up like 2 more feet and I didn't know it. And I've had this tripod for like 2 years. Oops. Anyway, let's jump into the Ipsy bag. So I love the bag already. I'm really excited about it. I will say my Ipsy bags have gotten like really good lately. Ooh, okay. So this is Chiate London Lip Luster. I think it's a lip gloss in the color Call Me. So it's like a nice like kind of, I don't know, like strawberry corally kind of lip color. It has a bit of like pinky silvery glitter in it. I am not a huge lip gloss gal because it always gets stuck on my fine hair and it's kind of like annoying. So this I think I'm gonna pass on to someone else, but I do really like the small size. Obviously it's Ipsy, everything's a little bit smaller, because this is something you can just chuck in your purse, chuck in your pocket. I always have like 3 or 4 lipsticks in like my pocket of my coat or something like that, so if I go to work and I don't have one, I can just throw one on. So this is really nice. I actually would normally use this. Chiate has really good lip products, so that's nice, but I'm gonna pass it on. Ooh, I know what this is. The next one is Tarte Man Eater Mascara. I really like the packaging on this mascara. It's super cute. I love purple. It's got like the little leopard gold print stuff on it. I have not used their Man Eater mascara yet. I think I've used all their other ones. Tarte has really good mascara. The wand is like kind of a really small comb. We'll zoom in, see? It's like a really small comb. I think it'll disperse the lashes well. I actually honestly love getting tiny little mascaras like this in my Ipsy bag, because again, these are the ones that I chuck in my makeup bag that is always being lugged around in my work bag, because I have like a half an hour, 45-minute commute to work. So on my way to work, I nearly every day put on mascara and my eyebrows in the car at red lights, because I just don't have time to do it when I'm at home and I can't be bothered. So I do lipstick, mascara, eyeliner, and eyebrows in the car. So I really like these tiny little ones. They're nice to also like chuck in your gym bag or something if you take showers at the gym, so pretty excited about that. I also like never buy full-size big mascaras from companies like Tarte, or I have like my Better Than Sex one, but I got like that on a deal for like 10 bucks. I never buy the full-size like $20 mascaras. Like I'm too cheap for that. And my CoverGirl like $7 mascaras I love. What brand is this? So this is a, oh, it says on there. Oh my God, what does that say? Shining Glam Short Shader, I think. God, I can't read that. Let me look at the thing. Slimmest Glam SS92 Short Shader Brush. It's really sassy looking. It's got like a copper rose gold, whatever this thing is called, with 2 little gems, and then the handle is plastic with like rose gold copper glitter inside, and then the little pink brush. It's just like a small little shader brush, so you can just put a color in your lid, or if you're gonna do your under eye, these are really good. I also use these as like a smudger brush. I, again, love getting brushes in my Ipsy bags because I really don't order brushes that often, so it's nice to try out new ones and get different things. Ooh, this is a good brand. The next is First Aid Beauty. They're a pretty pricey face like skincare brand. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Safe for sensitive skin, and it says apply evenly over cleansed face. Is it just a moisturizer or is it like a primer too? Let me read the, it has glucose in it, so it might be a little tacky. You might use it as like a moisturizer primer all in one. And this is 0.34 ounces. I really like, again, getting a sample of skincare. I'm really excited to try this. First Aid Beauty is a brand that I really like, but some of their other stuff has caused me to break out, so it's nice to get samples of it. And I'm all about moisturizers because my skin is hella dry here in Colorado. Estate Beauty Do Me Baked Highlighter Powder in the color Pearl. So this is the packaging. Super cute. It's like a light pink with gold. Obviously, I'm about that. Let me open it. Ooh, the packaging of it is like, the actual product is super cute. So it's just like a really basic, like pink little compact thing. It's kind of one of those ones that like are super generic. And then the baked highlighter itself looks really cute. It kind of looks like maybe it has a pink sheen to it. Ooh, wow, okay. It's really soft, but it does feel a little dry. So that's me just like swirling it around a little bit. And then we'll just swatch it. Oh, that is really reflective, girl. So it does have like a little bit of a pink sheen to it, but it's pale enough that it'll work on my pasty ass skin. Let me see, I have a lot of highlighter on today, but maybe we can add to it. Let's see. Can you tell the difference? Oh, yes you can. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's put some on this side now. I mean, I feel like you could tell a difference. Maybe not. I don't know. I already had a lot of highlighter on today anyway. Cause the bitch wanted to look shiny and glossy, and now I have this all over my finger. So those 5 products, why am I doing that? We already can count. This Ipsy bag this month of March, I would give it like a 10 out of 10. There's nothing that I considered a miss. The lip gloss I am probably gonna pass on to someone else, but it's a color that I do like. I honestly have a lip gloss that's almost the same color anyway, so I'm trying not to have multiples of things. I'm really trying to use the makeup I have and be conscientious of that. So I would give this bag a 10 out of 10. I'm definitely gonna make sure I review it online. I love this bag. I'm gonna save the actual bag it came in and use it as a clutch probably. Like when I do things, I like to save some of these as clutches, especially when I'm traveling. I'll put like lip glosses and lipsticks in it so it goes in my carry-on so I don't lose them. And then when I go out somewhere or I go to like lunch or something, I'll just bring this as a clutch rather than having like a whole purse trying to travel with that. So I'm really gonna keep this because it's super trendy, and if you don't want the word showing, you literally just like, you know, zip it up and turn around, and you can like take this to brunch and be like super trendy. So that's awesome. I really like this Ipsy bag this month. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, and give it a thumbs up if you like these videos. And if you don't like to see my Ipsy videos, just let me know and I'll stop doing them and just enjoy them myself. Okay, bye.